Hi and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is going to be a DIY gift idea video, like for Mother's Day, birthdays, whatever's coming up that you need to get something special for that special person. So this first one is one that I would like to get, but not everybody would. You may have seen this before in my other videos, but this would be a good base for a gift, and then you put like cute little things on there. But this I got from Goodwill. $2.99, but it was brand new from Target. Nobody used it. It just didn't sell at Target. You could put cute little things on like this. You may have seen something like this in my other videos on my other channel, but I think these are great to have by the sink. And then I got this with it. And then you could just put that there, or take that off and then wrap it in like cute cellophane. And then this, if your mom likes this kind of stuff, this would be cute to go on there. I got that from Costco. And then something like this would go perfect because, it would match that. And this works great with the dish block. And then, I don't know, you could just make it look cute. I know some people wouldn't like that because that means they have to be reminded of doing dishes, but I like this kind of thing with like different things you wouldn't think of getting for yourself maybe, or just things that your sink area look really cute. I forgot to add this little guy in here. That makes it so this can drain off. And obviously this one's mine. That's why it looks a little used. But you would obviously get brand new. And that's this one. I know not everybody is going to like the same type of gifts, so that's why I tried to come up with a bunch of different ideas. I am also linking in the cards and in the comment section this video idea that I did around Christmas time. And then the next one could be something like this. This is another one that I got from Goodwill that was new from Target, never used, and they had it priced for $1.99. So that would make a cute base for your gift. And then say you're doing a coffee theme. Maybe get a cute mason jar, fill it up with coffee. Then you can label it with the kind of coffee that's in there. Then you could just fill your tray with like a really cute coffee mug. And then any kind of fixins they like for their coffee usually, like this would be cute to fill with their like maybe favorite kind of powdered creamer or whatever they put in there. This is like a coconut cream powder. That's what I like. A little serving spoon would be really cute. And then some sort of sweetener. I like honey. And then just style it really cute. And any of these trays you just wrap in like a really cute saran wrap or something. Or, you could wrap these individually and then just tell them, it's to go all together. Instead of this, it could be filled with their favorite kind of tea, or like tea boxes would be really cute. For this next one, I'm going to use this cute little basket just because these go with kind of the theme I'm going with. You could obviously get just a plain bucket or basket. And then we're going with like a garden theme. Next, maybe some garden seeds. Make sure you put flowers in there to attract the bees. I just got these at the dollar store. They were 4 for $1. And then I did get, I think this brand was from Walmart, $1.96. These are definitely a great deal. I've never planted them though, so I don't know how well they do. But you could put them in there. And you could get some of these little plant labels for the seeds. Gardening gloves. These are also from the dollar store, but I know Walmart had some really cute ones as well. They were just a little bit more expensive. And you'd obviously style that to be super cute. And then I thought this was a really cute idea. It's just a little notebook. Maybe so, if it's your mom or whoever, can write down like when they planted certain things and, I also have some DIY wood project videos I will link down below. For the next one, another bin I got from Goodwill. I can't remember the price. It came in a 2-pack, I believe. And this one I'm going to do just a little bit bigger garden theme box. This was from the dollar store. And definitely get your stuff where, you know, you would normally shop, or wherever your mom or your special person likes to get things. And if they really, really like gardening, here's a whole bunch of these. You could wrap these in a cute bag. Again, you can do the gloves. Maybe this and a shovel. Your book. Maybe some flip-flops. Maybe some real herbs. I have a video of how I made an herb holder for the kitchen. I'll link that above if you want to see it. You wouldn't have water in there. For me, I love this one. Each year my kids and my husband take me to, you know, the local nursery or whatever, and I get to pick out some flowers and plants that I want for my front flower pots. I'll link a video that I did last year to show you that. Let me know what kind of DIY type gifts that you like to receive or like to give. And this one you can use any kind of, like I said, basket, whatever. I thought this would be cute if you're giving like a spa type set. Definitely check out your thrift stores and stuff for things like this. You can get them for really cheap. You can make up your own little planter if you want, or use something like this. That would be really cute too. And then, like I said, I was thinking like a spa type gift. You could get these gloves. They're for like the shower or bath, for scrubbing, which I love. I get these at Ulta. And then maybe give them like their favorite soap or one that smells really good. This was actually from the dollar store, and it's sulfate and paraben free, vegan, and it smells really good. Maybe give them their favorite things for their hair or body, you know, anything that they like customize it to, you know, their style or their liking. Lotion, definitely you gotta have a candle. Maybe something like these masks are cute. I used to get these for my daughter all the time. And then you could leave it like this, but I have something that I'm going to make because I actually love mine. It was something my friend gave me about 13 years ago now, and it's lasted me this long, so I'm going to show you how to make it. It's a rice pack, but I think this is a super cute gift along maybe with the rice pack, and that's super cheap to make. So this is what we're using for the rice pack, just a hand towel. And if you're giving it as a gift, you would get a brand new hand towel. But this one I'm making for myself because my rice pack is just about to give out. So I'm going to make a new one, and we just need a regular hand towel and some rice. This happens to be expired. I know you don't have to eat it. You know, it doesn't mean it's necessarily expired if it's past the date, but I thought just to be safe, I'll use it in this project. Okay, and for this, you just fold your hand towel lengthwise, and you want it to be kind of inside out, because once we sew this edge and this edge, we're going to turn it right side out, right side in. So we're just going to run sewing machine along here in the bottom. Let's do that. Before we do that, I wanted to show you my sewing bag. She always has to get into everything. And after you have it sewn, Then you want to flip it inside out or right side out. Just like that. And then all you want to do is fill it up with your rice. And I just opened up the whole end and I'm just going to dump it in there. I'll probably add a little bit more because there wasn't a full bag. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. I wanted to show you, this is my old one. Looking pretty ratty. But this is the rice after a really long time. It still looks the same, looks a little bit cooked, but it works just fine. And after you have it as filled as you want it, you can, I've seen them where they sew them shut, but my friend, when she gave me the one she made, it just had a scrunchie on it, and you want to make sure that you're not using this type of scrunchie. Hi, kitty. You can use a cloth one, but you don't want any kind of metal on it because this is going to go in the microwave. And you want to leave a little bit of room. Sorry. You want to leave a little bit of room so that the rice can move around and you can kind of adjust it to your body. But these are great because you don't have to worry about, you know, leaving them on if you fall asleep or something with your heating pad. You just heat it up in the microwave, and we do mine for 3 minutes, and then that will usually last all night. Now, I started using mine at night, every night actually, because after my surgery, like right after, I couldn't get my body to heat up or stay warm. So my husband started heating this up right before I went to bed, and he would put it right in my spot in bed so that it was nice and warm, and it kept me warm all night. And this is great for like cramps or muscle aches, or like I said, keeping you warm. You want to make sure your scrunchie that you use is really tight because you don't want the rice coming through. But the reason I like the scrunchie at the end is because if you ever feel like you want to change out the rice, you just take that off, dump out the old rice, and add in new. Where if it was sewn, you know, you'd have to break the stitch every time. So, you know, do whatever you would like, but this works awesome. So this could go with your spa gift to someone. And that's it. I hope you really like these gift ideas. Let me know the kind of DIY gifts that you've given to your special people. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, give this a thumbs up. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm sending love and hugs, and I'll see you next time. Bye.